Hi guys, before starting the video, I am making a request to you, please subscribe my channel. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro represents a significant leap forward in mobile technology, combining advanced hardware, innovative software, and a refined user experience. The new update for the iPhone 16 Pro has generated considerable excitement, bringing a host of improvements and new features. This update is not just a routine enhancement, but a substantial upgrade that elevates the iPhone experience to new heights. Design and display. 1. Sleeker design. The iPhone 16 Pro continues Apple's tradition of elegant design with a sleeker, more refined look. It features a thinner profile compared to its predecessor, thanks to the use of advanced materials and innovative manufacturing techniques. The ceramic shield front cover is now even more resistant to scratches and drops, ensuring that your device remains in pristine condition. 2. Enhanced display. The Super Retina XDR display on the iPhone 16 Pro has been further improved with a higher peak brightness of 2000 nits, making it easier to view in direct sunlight. The display also supports ProMotion technology with a 120 Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling and more responsive touch interactions. The color accuracy and contrast ratios have been fine-tuned, providing an even more vibrant and true-to-life viewing experience. 3. Dynamic Island. The Dynamic Island feature, introduced in the iPhone 14 Pro, has been expanded and refined in the iPhone 16 Pro. This interactive area at the top of the display now offers more functionality and customization options. It can display real-time information from apps, notifications, and even interactive controls for ongoing activities, making it a more integral part of the user interface. Performance and hardware. 1. A18 Bionic chip. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro is the new A18 Bionic chip, which offers a substantial performance boost over the previous generation. With its advanced 5nm process technology, the A18 Bionic delivers exceptional speed and efficiency. The CPU and GPU cores are optimized for high-performance tasks, including gaming, augmented reality, AR, and professional applications. This chip also enhances machine learning capabilities, allowing for more sophisticated AI-driven features. 2. Expanded storage options. Recognizing the growing demand for more storage, Apple has expanded the storage options for the iPhone 16 Pro. The base model now starts at 256 GB, with additional tiers of 512 GB and 1 TB available. This ensures that users have ample space for their apps, photos, videos, and other content. 3. Improved battery life. Battery life has always been a critical aspect of the iPhone experience, and the iPhone 16 Pro makes notable advancements in this area. The device benefits from a larger battery capacity and more efficient power management, resulting in up to 20 hours of video playback and extended usage times. The introduction of fast charging and improved wireless charging technology ensures that you spend less time tethered to a charger. Camera system. 1. Advanced camera array. The iPhone 16 Pro's camera system has undergone significant upgrades. It features a new 48MP primary sensor with enhanced low-light performance and improved color accuracy. The ultra-wide lens has also been upgraded to a 12MP sensor with a wider field of view, making it perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group photos. 2. ProRAW and ProRes enhancements. For photography enthusiasts and professionals, the iPhone 16 Pro offers enhanced ProRAW and ProRes capabilities. The improved ProRAW mode provides greater flexibility in post-processing, while the ProRes video recording has been upgraded to support higher resolutions and bit rates, making it ideal for high-quality video production. 3. Computational photography. Apple has continued to push the boundaries of computational photography with the iPhone 16 Pro. The new update introduces advanced features like enhanced night mode, improved deep fusion, and more sophisticated Smart HDR. These technologies work together to deliver stunning images with greater detail, better color accuracy, and reduced noise. Software features. 1. iOS 18. The iPhone 16 Pro ships with iOS 18, which brings a host of new features and improvements. The updated operating system includes enhanced widgets, a more customizable home screen, and improved privacy controls. 2. Enhanced augmented reality, AR. AR capabilities have been significantly enhanced with iOS 18 and the iPhone 16 Pro. The updated software leverages the A18 Bionic chip to deliver more immersive and responsive AR experiences. Applications utilizing AR for gaming, navigation, and productivity can now provide more realistic and engaging interactions. 3. New accessibility features. Apple continues to prioritize accessibility with the iPhone 16 Pro. The new update includes several features designed to make the device more accessible to users with disabilities. Voice control enhancements, improved magnifier functionality, and new customization options for assistive touch make the iPhone 16 Pro a more inclusive device. Connectivity and other features. 1. 5G and Wi-Fi 6E. The iPhone 16 Pro supports the latest connectivity standards, including 5G and Wi-Fi 6E. The improved 5G capabilities offer faster data speeds and better network performance, while Wi-Fi 6E provides enhanced wireless connectivity with reduced latency and increased bandwidth. These upgrades ensure that you stay connected with reliable and speedy internet access. 2. Improved Face ID. Face ID has been upgraded with enhanced security and performance. The new system features a broader recognition range and faster unlocking, even in low-light conditions. Additionally, it supports more customization options, allowing users to add alternate appearances for better recognition in various situations. 3. Sustainability and durability. Apple has continued its commitment to sustainability with the iPhone 16 Pro. The device is made from recycled materials and features a more energy-efficient design. The iPhone 16 Pro also has improved durability, with better water and dust resistance, making it more resilient to everyday wear and tear. Pricing and availability. The iPhone 16 Pro is available in several color options, including classic shades and new, exclusive hues. Pricing starts at $1,099 for the 256GB model, with the 512GB and 1TB variants priced higher. The device is available for pre-order starting August 24, 2024, with general availability set for September 6, 2024.